All right, everyone, welcome back. We are going to look at Solana. So the first thing I want to point out on Solana is you can see all the support from the summer of 21, the summer of 22. Now that we are below that, we're getting stuck at this macro resistance here at about 30 bucks. So from the high back in here in November of 2021 to the December low of 2022, we have that 382 retracement here, and this is where we're getting stuck. So heavy resistance here at the $30 area. Let's go ahead and get that off of the chart and go back down to the daily candles here that we have been watching. So from the high here to the low, you can see we broke back over the top with this fat green candle that spawned in. Got all the way up here to about 32 bucks, right above the 1618 here at 31. And ultimately, you can see these wicks forming. We're getting stuck at the $28 level at that 1414. We are sitting at 27.53 here. So if this is going to be your top, then you really want to watch the $26 level here, and then the $22 level here. If you can maintain this 25, or we're going to say $26 area, then you're still extremely bullish for a push higher. You could even come down here, which from the low here to the high, your 382 retracement is down here back at the top at 22. So we could be in store for something like this, and you're still extremely bullish if you can hold 22. And then your last line in the sand, I would say, would be your 0.5 retracement. So we could do something like this and come down here to this $20 area, and then try to hold that and then move higher, and you're still bullish at that point also. So just kind of watch those three prices there on Solana. So if you drop about 7% and hold 26, you're still good. And potentially you can drop all the way down here to the $22 area for a 20% drop, and you're still bullish. And then of course your last line of defense here, the 786/0.5 would be the $20 area down here for about a 28% drop. And then I would say any lower than that, then you're coming back down to where you came from. So watch those three prices to the downside on Solana. You are above your 200-day moving average. You can see everything's curling up. The 50 just crossed above the 100. So that is all bullish there. If we look over at the Heikin-Ashi are still printing green rather, but they are getting smaller here. So it may be getting ready to roll over to red here and come back down to one of those price points we just talked about there. So just kind of watch those prices there. For momentum to stay up, you need to get back over 28 and then the $31 to $32 range, and then you're extremely bullish for a push higher up here to our dotted line up here at this 2272, and we'll have a shot at trying to get over $45 on Solana. And if you can get over $45 on Solana, she's going to start flying in my opinion. So just keep an eye on all those prices there. One other thing to point out before we end this, if this is your top, all the wicks we have forming here, macro resistance, and then on top of that, of course, the stock RSI has been up here in the overbought area for a while, so it looks like it may want to start crawling back down at some point. And we have the money flow index. Whenever you have the money flow index poking its head out of the top above the 80 here, that is usually a sign that the top is in. So there's a lot of things telling us the top is in: the macro resistance, the wicks that are forming, and the money flow index here. So that could very well be the top for Solana for now. So watch 26, 22, and then 20 on Solana for a pullback here. And as long as you stay above $20, you're still alive, and you can consolidate and push higher at some point. So hopefully you guys took some profit on this little run here, and we'll see where this thing ends up. So we'll leave it at that on Solana. Not financial advice. Thanks for watching, everyone. Peace out.